Hey guys, what's up? I'm Bianca. Welcome to my channel. So I figured I was binge watching a bunch of DoorDash, Uber Eats, Postmates, all that stuff, all those kinds of videos of DoorDashers and how much they make and how it works, because honestly I am very curious. So I decided to just sign up for it, and I just got out of the orientation, which literally took like 5 minutes. I'm excited to see what this entails and this fun, cute little easy side hustle type make money millennial way of life, and hopefully it works out and hopefully it's good. So I'll keep you guys updated. And yeah, so I was watching a bunch of videos and that's just how I came across it. But I guess I'll leave like a referral link down below if you guys end up liking this video and you want to sign up. I don't know if I'll like it yet, but I guess let's keep going, let's keep watching, and let's adventure together. Update, I haven't DoorDashed since I left orientation. I hope you could hear me because the music in here is really loud, but I just turned it on because I ran to the mall. So I said, oh, I know there's a lot of DoorDash food in here, so I might turn it on in here instead of like going to the car and then trying to start it, because if I'm in here already, that would be so annoying if I went to the car and then came back. I'm just kind of sitting down in my, I'm kind of just waiting. I've had it on for about 5 minutes and I haven't gotten anything. I've seen in all the other YouTube videos that sometimes you wait like 15 minutes for an order depending on whatever. I guess it's like a random Thursday night, so it makes sense. I'm screaming because the music is so loud in here. I don't know how it really works yet. I know if you go to the hotspot, I think they like send orders to you to that location, if that makes sense. But I wouldn't want to go there and then it tells me to come to the mall to get Chick-fil-A or something, and I'm like, I was just there. So I'm kind of waiting it out, testing it out, seeing what's up. So I moved to the hotspot that it told me that there was a hotspot, and that's like where you kind of go if you know, want to collect like a some sort of headquarters to, oh, go to Applebee's for $7. I just got one. I was just gonna say this is a fucking bust. Fun, accept. Oh, you have 80 seconds to accept it. You have a minute. Oh, it's the one by the mall. Yeah. Oh my god, bitch, this is fun. Are you laughing at me? Are you laughing at me? I picked up. Oh, also, by the way, Jordan and I are doing this together for the first time because I'm scared to do it alone, and he's also scared to do it alone for the first time, but we both signed up separately.
We're just splitting profits.
We're splitting profits at the moment, but we figured that it would be
a good
beneficial for the both of us to make some money. And also, this is the first time I've ever done anything like this where it's like some sort of tasking job. So him too. So we're both like, let's do it together, because we don't even understand how this works, because in orientation they didn't explain anything at all. I only know everything from watching YouTube videos. I'll catch back up with you guys after. Okay, so since it's dark, the lighting's really bad, and you might get a little glimpse of me because of the street lights, but we actually ended up going back to Jordan's house because the first delivery that we literally just did, the girl lived across the street from Jordan, so we were like, oh, let's just go home and wait for another order if we get another order, because we honestly didn't think we were gonna get another one since it's kind of late at night. And as soon as I walked in the house and I'm explaining to his mom how everything works, I snap on my phone, I just got another order. So we're back in the car, which is fun. It's kind of like this weird, awkward rush, because you're like, oh cool, I just got an order, like it's $7, let's go. I really like that they show you how much money you're getting beforehand, unlike traditional delivery drivers, where I probably wouldn't do that myself because I still feel uncomfortable as a delivery driver, as a girl at a pizza place, because they don't get paid really per hour. They get paid like $2 per hour, just like a busboy gets paid, and then you don't know how much this person's gonna tip you until you're there. So this is cool because it literally tells you right up front.
She goes, that was quick.
She said that?
And I said, well, I'm quick.
You said that? You freak? Okay, so we came to Sonic like literally 4 times, but I'm so glad that we did because it's kind of just like a back and forth, easy going thing. And the wait time in between is getting shorter and shorter, I guess, because now it's like 11-ish at night. So people, like the only things that are open are fast food. So people are like quick to order instead of like 9 o'clock is kind of still after dinner, but you know what I mean. Well, we're sitting at the drive-thru right now because they locked the doors, but the guy who we're door dashing for, he actually called us and contacted us and was like, hey dude, like I plugged in the wrong address, I'm actually at this address, and texted us the real address. And he's like, yo, I'll throw you 10 bucks because you know it's kind of farther, which it's really not that much farther, but that was so nice. So that's an extra. This dash was supposed to be $8, so now it's actually going to be 18 because he's tipping us 10, so that's dope. So we delivered the stuff to the guy who was like, yo, we'll throw you 10 bucks, whatever. He ends up giving us $12, but since we did it at a different address, DoorDash, like a notification popped up and was like, hey, we can't complete this delivery because like you're not at the correct location that we told you to go to. Duh. So we clicked like, okay, I need help. And then it says, were you able to complete your delivery? So we were like, yes. And it gives you like options like delivered to a different address, blah blah blah. So we clicked that, and then they texted us confirming like, okay, delivery complete, like you're good. But now we're having kind of a little trouble because it won't let us get off the screen of like the delivery that like we didn't complete it. But they texted us and said like, okay, you're good, you completed it, DoorDash, not the person. So we're trying to figure that out, but other than that, that's fine. That was like literally a $20 delivery for kind of no reason. Just letting you guys know, we just like contacted the live chat because you could click I need help. So she has to go in and do it manually, which is fine. So she's like, just to confirm, this was for blah 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 from Sonic. That's it. That wasn't really that hard. They answered like literally in 30 seconds, so that was easy. Jordan, can you just update them on this situation?
The guy obviously needed a change of address. So we've been talking to customer care, and the woman just told me they're going to pay me half of the amount of what it costs just to go to the new address. So I got to keep the first order of $8, and now they're giving me an extra $5 on top of that. And then the guy gave me a $12 tip. And this was only my second order. So shit's pretty lit right now.
Okay guys, so it's the next day and we just had to use the red card for the first time, which is a card that they give you at orientation, which basically, I don't know where the money comes from. I haven't really figured that part out yet. But some DoorDashes, the people don't pay for it up front. You actually have to go to the store and order it for them, like as if you're someone who's running their errand. So we just used the red card to get Starbucks, ordered all the stuff. You know, you just hand them the phone because the whole list of stuff, how they want it and all that stuff was already on there. We're driving to the office and we're wondering if they give you cash for it, because then how do they end up paying for it? We're kind of confused. But hi, future Bianca here. It's just a card that transfers the money from the person's credit card, and it's like an automatic prepaid card is the red card, and then you just swipe and their money that they already paid on the DoorDash app just goes into that card, because Starbucks, you have to order things in person, just like Wendy's or McDonald's, like any fast food place. I don't know, I just wanted to tell you about one of my orders. It was kind of cool, I guess. I really didn't think that this could happen, but I'm glad that it happened. I accepted one delivery. I didn't vlog this at all, but I accepted one delivery, and as soon as I pulled up to the delivery place, it said, oh, do you want to like also do this delivery? And it was 2 deliveries in one, so it was like a double whammy, and the places were literally right next door to each other. Like, it was so fun. So I got like double the amount of money, and I was literally right next door. So then I just picked up 2 different orders and then went to 2 different houses. Okay, so I don't know how much longer today I'm gonna actually like record everything, because it's kind of a busy time. It's like I don't know, in the 3 o'clock, 4 o'clock hour, so I guess it's like kind of lunch/dinner, and we actually ended up at like the college by our house, by their dorms, and we didn't even realize, like Jordan used to go to this school, and he was like, oh, it's by this, like let's pick this up and bring it here, it's really close. I was like, okay, and then we make the right turn, and I'm like, oh my god, we're going to the college, and we started laughing. So that was a fun surprise. It's kind of busy, it's order after order. As soon as we deliver an order, the next order comes up, so it's kind of perfect, and we're having fun. So I might put the camera away and just give you guys like final thoughts at the end, and this will be like the conclusion of it. So I hope you guys like that, and let's just continue on, and I'll catch up with you later. Just realized I never gave you guys like a final update like I said I was gonna update you on. So in total so far, I only did it, let's say for 3 days now, for like 2 to 3 hours each. I made like $140, which is me doing like the total bare minimum. I know you guys probably wanted an update on how much I made, but my final thoughts for the experience were very easy. The customer service is really good. Like if you have a problem, you just click live chat and then start chatting with them. They answer you really quick, and they actually gave us like extra money for like one inconvenience that we had. So I definitely recommend DoorDash. The thing is that some of the videos on here, not that they're deceiving, but they'll be like, oh, I made $800 a week on DoorDash, but they don't really mention that they actually work full-time hours, so they're working just as much as you would a regular job, except you're in the car for like 7 hours a day, which probably isn't ideal. That's why I kind of do it half of that. Like 2 hours in the car is fine because you're driving around, you're not really in the car the whole time because you get out to get your orders and stuff. But overall, I think it was fun. It's a good experience. I haven't really had any bad problems. And yeah, pretty much like I said, you get to pause it whenever you want, you get to end it whenever you want, you get to start whenever you want. It doesn't matter. So I'm doing it again today just to make a little extra money, a little extra pocket change. It adds up, and like I said, we only did it, let's say, a total of 7 hours, and we made like $140, which is basically like a normal regular job. So that was kind of fun, but you're doing it at your own time and you're ending at your own time, which is the best for people who you just don't feel like working anymore, you just don't work. But it was cool because they texted me this morning and were like, hey, we need dashers, like we're getting so many orders right now, and I was like, I guess I'll do it again. This was fun. I hope you guys enjoyed this video and kind of understand more of the gist of it. But if you have any questions, leave them down below. Maybe I'll make another video like this because I think I'm gonna kind of continue doing DoorDash. It's kind of fun. So if you guys actually want to sign up, I guess use my referral code down below. I think we both get a bonus if you get referred by somebody who's already a dasher. So that's fun. I think it's like $50 bonus or $100 bonus, which that's a lot. So anywho, if you guys like this video at any point, please give me a thumbs up, subscribe down below, and follow me over on Instagram, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye!